Ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening and a warm welcome to all of you at the Leela Mumbai. We are really very happy and honored to host the launch of Sania's autobiography published by HarperCollins. I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate Sania on her book, and we wish you success in all your future endeavors, Sania. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy the evening and our hospitality with the evening to proceed. May I now invite Karthika from HarperCollins to take the evening forward. Thank you. Thank you and a warm welcome once again.
Good evening, everyone. Are you getting up and going away? They told me he was a slightly unexpected person to have at an event. Now I'm going to be prepared for the rest of the evening. But it's wonderful to be here in Mumbai. Sania's father, Imran, was just telling us that both he and Nasima, her mother, think of Bombay as home. Bombay, he said, not Mumbai. But so I suppose in a very different sort of way, this is an appropriate place to release this book. I know you're going to be too busy listening to this part of the conversation, but I'm going to have to tell you that this is a wonderful book and you must read it. It's gone viral in many ways because of the conversations she's had over the last few days on television. And I keep saying to people who see me that more than the first release by Shah Rukh, or I'm sure by the conversation here, one of the things that really took off was Sania's comments on being a woman and playing tennis at the top. I think that is something that has really caught on for women in this country. She's an icon not just for young people but for older people as well, and definitely for every kind of woman in this country. So we're delighted to have been able to publish the book. I am going to leave Anam Mirza to do the moderation of what's going to follow, which is a conversation between them. And then we'll come to the next part of it. But before that, the formal part of this evening, which is, may I please request you to unveil the book.
Hi guys. Okay Salman, let me start off by first asking you, you've known Sania since she was a very young girl and you have seen her grow from a young girl to the strong woman that she is today. So tell us about the transformation that you have seen in her.
Good evening. I've known her since she was a very young girl, and I still think she's a very young girl. She still has a lot of growing up to do. And if you think this is strong, then you don't know what's coming ahead.
I think that was a compliment.
I'm not sure.
Everything here is only compliments.
Alright. So, usually you see that autobiographies are not written by too many 29-year-olds. And Sania has, written an autobiography when she's 29. So tell us what you think about this, that writing an autobiography at 29.
I think it's new. is different. I think people do not achieve what she's achieved, even if they have to be born in 3 lifetimes. And they remember the last one, the previous one, they remember it, and they keep on coming back, coming back, coming back. They'll not be able to achieve what she's achieved for herself. So at 29, I think she had a lot to say. So before she forgets what she wanted to say, I thought that was a very wise, sensible decision for her to write her autobiography. Iske baad, there's going to be a part 2, 3, 4, because she's an achiever and she's going to keep on achieving.
Yes. So, Sania runs a tennis academy herself where she nurtures talent from the country, and this is her way of giving back to the society. And you know, you do a similar venture with Being Human. So, talk to us a little about this.
I think it's incredible that she's doing this because, how do I put this? Why do you want to encourage competition in this country? Akeli chal rahi ho, akeli chalo.
Because I'm not going to be like how you are acting for the last so many years and be number one. I cannot be. That I know for sure. So
She's going to be here for
I'm not going to be.
long while. It's incredible. I mean, to give back is the most difficult thing to do, actually. And some people do it so easily that, you know, आजकल if you do a good deed, उसके लिए compliment मिलता है आपको. Oh, what a nice deed you've done. But these deeds were very common earlier. It's just that they become so rare. This is in every human being has to be like that. But इतना rare हो गया ये कि किसी ने एक अच्छी चीज़ की तो उसकी बहुत तारीफ हो जाती है. So I don't think that ये जो आप कर रही हो ये बहुत कमाल कर रही हो, क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि कमाल आप आगे जाके करोगी. This is just the beginning.
That's true. I mean, I just want to add here, like Salman said, I know him since I was 16 and I've seen the way he does give back, you know, in so many different ways, whether it's Being Human, whether I've seen him how he is with people, and to me, I have learned that from him in a lot of different ways, and whether you know it or not, I have. And I know we were joking saying that we've never had this serious a conversation in the last 14 years between us. So
No, to give back, she has definitely learned from me.
yes, I have learned from him.
So I know Sania as a sister, and you know, we all know her, you know, in different ways. So tell us, how different is Sania as a friend to you?
PG 13 रखना है.
You know, no matter how hard she's working, how busy she is, she's got enough time for her friends. You know, how hard she's working, you know, no matter how she's got busy she is. You know, got enough time for her friends. How hard she's working, you know, no matter how she's got busy she is. You know, how hard she's working, you know, no matter how busy she is. You know, she's got how hard she's working, you know, no matter how busy she is. You know, she's got.
We had another shoot for a magazine which I was shooting, and in between we were doing a lot of one-on-ones with a lot of people. And I'm here now, and I'm probably at one of the biggest days of my life. Also because of the book, also because one of my very dear friends is here with me, and so it's been an incredibly busy day. I have no idea. I don't think I've had lunch. I just had some chai and you know, some breakfast, but I'm here, and you know, this makes it worth it. I mean, I just want to say that this makes it worth it, and you being here makes it worth it. So thank you so much.
This is something else. And just look at the picture. मतलब कि ये any time यहाँ पर तो बहुत अच्छा कर ही रही हैं टेनिस के अंदर, लेकिन ये फिल्मों भी घुसना चाहें, जो कि घुसना नहीं चाह रही हैं, if she wants to join movies as well, she'll have this position here.